Harold Lasswell's analytic frame and methodological tools are best judged by what they make visible and what they leave out. Start with application. Wartime propaganda offers a clear laboratory. Organized messaging, posters, radio, newsreels, becomes measurable through coding. Patterns in tone, frame, and frequency can be linked to shifts in morale, recruitment, or elite debate. There is a direct chain from message to public response to political action. Exactly the kind of causal tracing Lasswell made methodologically possible. A second domain is distributional politics. Permits, contracts, welfare programs, or regulatory privileges. Here the practical lesson is procedural. Map the actors who control access, enumerate the specific goods on the table, watch for the timing of coalitions and crises, and trace the institutional channels through which benefits are allocated. Combined with pilot evaluations and stakeholder analysis, this mapping shows where leverage exists and where reforms are likely to fail. Those virtues point to why Lasswell matters: clarity, operational utility, and a push toward evidence-based inquiry. Yet the approach has limits. It can flatten moral and cultural depth into transactions. It risks an elite-centered reading of politics. And content analysis, while rigorous, depends on coding decisions that shape results. The policy science orientation can privilege feasibility over justice if normative questions are sidelined. Despite these caveats, Lasswell's legacy is durable. He seeded methods that built media studies, professionalized policy analysis, and mainstreamed mixed method research. His checklist, who, what, when, how, remains a compact heuristic for turning broad political puzzles into tractable research and practical reform. The central lesson is methodological. Lasswell's checklist serves as a disciplined analytical entry point. Map actors, enumerate stakes, identify temporal windows, and trace mechanisms, while subjecting proposed interventions to empirical testing and ethical scrutiny. Applied in this spirit, it provides a framework for precise diagnosis and context-sensitive reform without reducing politics to mere technique or neglecting the demands of normative deliberation.